Hi, I'm here with Chuck from Precision Armaments, and he has some brand new things to show you that got me pretty excited.
So we have the Armament 22 Plus, which is coming out this spring. It's made of stainless steel, it's 5.1 ounces, and it has a polygonal tapered thread that will not allow cross-threading. You can do it by hand, it's totally modular. You can take it all apart. It comes with 9 pieces, and it's going to be leading in the sound decibel reduction class. In in the muzzle brake category, we have the Hyper Tap, which is 84% recoil reduction.
84%.
It's #1 in its class, great for PRS shooting. And then, maybe one of our coolest models here, we have the EFAB. This is a flash suppressor hybrid muzzle brake, and this gets about 95% flash suppression and 56% recoil reduction in a very small package, very comfortable shooting.
That's absolutely spectacular. When I looked at this for the first time, so there's some weight on here, which is going to help you with like barrel rise.
Exactly.
So my first thoughts was the 300 Blackout that I'm building, and how much that's not only going to reduce the recoil, but also keep me right on target. That's incredible.
Yeah. So keep a lookout this spring for the Armament 22 Plus modular suppressor. There's nothing like it on the market.
And what's going to be the retail on that, approximately?
We're around $500 for retail.
About $500.
Yep.
That's crazy. And what's the price breaks on the brakes?
$159 to $169 and $179 to $189 for the Hyper Tap.
Are they available now?
These are available now. This is available this spring. And we're really excited for people to get their hands on this.
So I'm excited about that myself. That's just, handling it's just crazy easy. They have like a thing over here with dirt in it to show you that, and a video where you can construct this in dirt and have no problems whatsoever.
Exactly.
It's got just the perfect amount of weight. It's light, but not too light. It's this is exciting.
Possibly revolutionary.
I would probably go there too.
I would go there too without saying too much before it comes out, but again, really excited.
And where can they buy these?
Okay, so you can go to precisionarmament.com. You can for the Hyper Tap, and for the EFAB, go to your local gun shop. And again, precisionarmament.com is probably the best place to go. Everything is made in Wellsville, New York. Our customer service is in Wellsville, New York. You'll speak to a regular person. And yeah, we pride ourselves on customer service as well as making the best in the business.
Chuck, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time.
Thank you.